Importance of hydration today. We will talk about something important for community health, especially for seniors. Drinking enough water may sound basic, but many people don't drink as much as their body needs. Example, this uncle is 65. He always felt tired. His doctor asked, "How many glasses of water do you drink daily?" He said, 2 or 3. The doctor replied, "Your body is like a garden. Without water, it dries up." After 2 weeks of drinking more water, then he felt fresher. His digestion improved and headaches reduced. Benefits of hydration: keeps kidneys healthy and reduces risk of stones. Improves digestion and relieves constipation. Keeps joints flexible and reduces stiffness. Sharpens memory and focus. Makes skin fresh and glowing. Tips: carry a small water bottle with you. Drink a glass after waking up and before meals. Add lemon or cucumber if plain water feels boring. Question: how many glasses of water do you drink daily? Share in the comments. Number 2, role of exercise. Exercise doesn't mean heavy weights. For seniors, walking, stretching, or gardening is enough to keep body and mind active. Example, this auntie is 70. She felt stiff every morning. Her doctor suggested walking 15 minutes daily. At first it was hard, but after 2 weeks, her stiffness reduced. After a month, she could climb stairs without pain. Benefits: strengthens the heart and lowers blood pressure, supports healthy joints, improves digestion, boosts memory, improves sleep quality, lifts mood, and reduces stress. Tips: start with 10–15 minutes daily. Try chair exercises. If you can't go outside, gardening or playing with grandchildren also counts. Number 3, mental well-being. Peace of mind, good sleep, and balance are as important as physical health. Example, this uncle is 68. He felt no peace despite comfort at home. His son suggested daily walks in the park. Within 2 weeks, he felt lighter, slept better, and regained joy in life. Benefits: reduces stress, improves memory, gives better sleep, strengthens immunity, improves family bonds, adds purpose and energy to life. Tips: start mornings with a walk or deep breathing. Write down 3 blessings daily. Stay connected with friends and family. Avoid negative news. Listen to Quran or uplifting talks. Number 4, seasonal eating. Allah created every fruit in its season for a reason. Eating seasonal food gives balance and energy. Example, this uncle had a winter cough. His doctor asked, "Do you eat oranges?" He said no. The doctor explained oranges protect in winter with vitamin C. Uncle started eating oranges daily and became healthier. Benefits: more nutrition, better immunity, tastier food, cheaper and easily available. Supports local farmers. Tips: eat watermelon, cucumber, mangoes in summer. Eat oranges, carrots, greens in winter. Avoid off-season storage. Visit local markets for fresh produce. Number 5, elderly nutrition as we age. Our body needs easy to digest and nutrient-rich food. Example, this auntie is 72. She felt weak despite eating. She loved fried food but rarely ate fruits or milk. A nutritionist added banana, milk, and soup. Within weeks, her energy improved. Needs: calcium and vitamin D for bones, protein for muscles, fiber for digestion, iron for blood, omega-3 for heart and brain. Plenty of water. Tips: eat 4–5 small meals instead of 2 big ones. Choose soft foods like soup, porridge, or mashed fruits. Avoid fried, salty, and sugary items. Add milk, lassi, or herbal tea. Number 6, balanced plate concept. A balanced plate means variety, not excess. Example, this uncle is 66. He ate mostly rice. His sugar levels rose. The doctor taught him the plate method: half fruits, vegetables, 1/4 grains, 1/4 protein. His sugar improved and energy returned. Formula: half plate fruits and vegetables, 1/4 grains, 1/4 protein. Small side of dairy or healthy fat. Water with meals. Tips: use a medium plate, add colorful foods, balance meat with vegetables. Keep fried food occasional. Number 7, dangers of processed food. Biscuits, chips, soda, and instant noodles harm health slowly. Example, this uncle is 62. Loved biscuits and soda daily. Later, he developed diabetes and blood pressure. Replacing snacks with fruits and nuts improved his health. Dangers: high sugar causes diabetes and weight gain. High salt increases blood pressure. Bad oils damage arteries. Chemicals harm liver and kidneys. Low nutrition, addictive nature. Tips: replace biscuits with fruits or nuts. Drink water or milk instead of soda. Read labels before buying. Cook simple meals at home. Number 8, supplements with guidance supplements can help, but only with medical advice. Example, Auntie Farzana, 65, took miracle vitamins daily without advice. She developed stomach problems. After doctor guidance, she improved with only 1 calcium tablet and diet changes. Useful: vitamin D and calcium for bones, vitamin B12 for energy, iron for blood, omega-3 for heart and brain. Protein powder if food intake is low, harmful, taken without advice, overdosed. Mixed with medicines wrongly. Following ads blindly. Tips: always consult a doctor. Do blood test before use. Follow correct dosage. Prefer natural foods first. Number 9, moderation. As a rule, too much of anything is harmful. Balance keeps us healthy. Example, this uncle is 70, always overeaten at gatherings. Soon, he had heart problems. His doctor taught him to stop before full. Eating smaller portions improved his health. Benefits: better digestion, control weight, prevents diabetes and heart problems, gives energy, increases lifespan. Tips: use small plates. Stop at 70–80% full. Drink water before meals. Eat slowly and chew well. Dear friends, let's reflect on some small habits that make a big difference. How many glasses of water do you drink? 2, 5, or 8? Do you enjoy walking, gardening, or gentle stretching? What brings peace to your mind? Prayer, nature, or family time? Which seasonal fruit is your favorite? Mangoes, oranges, or something else? What food gives you the most energy? Milk, fruits, or soup? On your plate, does rice, meat, or vegetables take the biggest space? Which snack is hardest to give up? Biscuits, chips, or soda? Do you take supplements like vitamin D, calcium, or B12? And finally, do you stop eating when slightly full or only when completely full? Write your answer below in comment. Thank you.